So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to ROM You. Let's look at latest Pixel Plus UI 3.8 running on Xiaomi POCO F1. To begin with, let's look at About Phone session. The ROM is based upon Android 11 and they got the latest security patch from 5th August 2021. SC Linux is by default set as enforcing and kernel coupled with is Silver Core 9.7 which is some balanced kernel for sure. When comes to security session, the ROM does has fingerprint, IR face unlock, app lock and more. Fingerprint here is faster enough and IR face unlock does its job. Out of the box, the ROM is not encrypted and if you want, you can encrypt it manually. But you need to plug your charger and charge your battery at least 80%. Under battery settings, the ROM does got pixel thermal switching and you can select appropriate thermals from here. QoS panel does includes FPS info and screen recorder as well. The screen recorder here is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. After enabling it, I didn't face any lags or jitters. I don't see any other major changes from previous build here. But there are some visible changes, like if you go to Pixelizer Extra, there is volume panel style. The option is old, but they did added OOS kind here. Another change you will notice is they did added VOOC charger support. Previously when I was using VOOC charger, it was only supporting slow charging. But from this build onwards, it is supporting rapid charging. If you look at DRM info, the ROM does has wideband L1 support. But on POCO side, still it is broken I believe. Out of the box, the ROM is not rooted and passing Saftynet checks as well. If you go to Google Play Store and settings, the Play Protect certification is also present, which makes this ROM trustable for daily usage. After setting up gaming thermals, Antutu scores 3,57,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 417 and multi-core 2031, which are average scores for Snapdragon 845. To understand more about performance, I am adding CPU throttling test. The test did lasted for 30 minutes and the starting performance was good. But after 5 to 10 minutes, the graphs did started dropping to yellow and eventually to red. But the ROM did manage to pull out 1,72,000 plus as an average score, which is something good enough as an average user. So now that being said, let's do a gaming test. BGMI smooth plus extreme settings with bootcamp hot drop. Screen recorder and FPS are enabled. Meantime the gaming is going on and I already know the result. Let's conclude the video. Overall, as like previous build, this build is also a stable and smooth one. Performance wise, it is average. If you are a user with moderate gaming, this ROM can be considered. Finally, the gaming experience was decent, no touch lags or any other issues. Yes, I did notice frame drop while close combat, which is something expected. Battery backup on this build is really great. Without any sweat, you can get 7 hours plus screen on time, if your hardware is good enough. So that's it guys, this is all about my impression on PPUI 3.8. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here and I'll catch you in next one. Keep on watching the gameplay with FPS.